every session. So whenever we started a batch, the first day I'll give some kind of introduction. It helps you to understand what is this entire process purpose. Okay, so the selection and preparation, both I want to give some kind of idea in the starting. So then we will start our continuation of technical part. Okay, how to prepare all these things we'll discuss. And I'm working. I am working in the 70s since almost like an 8 years. Okay, in the only in 70s. Before that one, I worked in different institutes also. I gave training on the different type of technologies, including hardware, networking, CCNA, MCSA, Linux, DevOps, Python, cloud, storages. So different type of technologies I given a training since 2009 onwards. Okay, so this is for HCL. It is very small syllabus. It is the HCL technical part will take from 2 to 4 weeks. Okay, so why it is 2 to 4 weeks of training? Because almost all you reach 2 weeks, you will be in the startup process in version test and voice and action technical. Sometimes some people, certain batches, by the 2 to 3 weeks only, they are into the technical round, the complete technical round, they're getting into the HCL. Sometimes this HCL, from this HCL, it will take time to conduct this voice and accent and technical round. Then we'll continue training up to 3 and 4 weeks. Okay. Again, we'll come back. One more person join. I have to check. Yes, now only one person join. Okay, so,
Kodipudi Komala just joined, sir.
yes. Formula Harshita join. Very good.
Yeah, sir. Yes.
You got it, 13. Very good. Okay. Yeah, this is a first part. Yeah, we'll make it like a part one, part two, part three kind of stuff. In the first one, guys, your interview. The first thing is how to get it inside this HCA, right? Yeah, it's totally 3 rounds of your interview. The first one is Versant. Versant is a computer-based online English language test. It's a communication test. One second. Sir. Okay. So once the Versant training is completed, people who are confident service will conduct this Versant test. Okay. It is online test. So the requirement to attend the test, you have to complete all the tasks service sharing to you. Okay. So all the tasks and practices. In a communication session, guys, especially communication session, taken care by the answer, it is practical training session. It's a practical session, communication practical session. Okay, never miss soft skills. What are the situation? If something unavoidable situation, then give information to the answer compulsory before you are not able to join. Okay. So for example, tomorrow session is there. So you are unable to join tomorrow session. Immediately give information. Put some message in the WhatsApp group or in a personal message or email. What are the contact is there? So better put a message. Better put it in group. Like so and so this reason I'm unable to attend this session. Without information, do not absent for the session. Okay, that is very important. And Versant again, so that the soft skill session is a completely practical oriented. You can't able to get that session anywhere outside. You're getting that one here. Okay. Next is, of course, the Versant is a computer-based test. It is in our hands. So it is Pearson you test. You have to attend the test after the Versant related training is completed. Of course, you need a laptop with a webcam, laptop or a desktop with a webcam in it. Okay, compulsory a webcam. Very good headphones are required, noise cancellation type, and you must sit in a place where external noises are not there. And next, very good internet connection. Get a one proper internet, not your mobile phone data. Okay, go to Geo or Airtel or ACT. So get some internet, proper internet connection. Okay, so the passing, I think, as I already told you, that's the passing is 57 is a cutoff marks for HCL. So that is your version. Once version completed, we share your version score to the HCL. Then HCL people will schedule your voice and accent interview. It is also online, face to face, like meeting. Okay. So he sit in his laptop, you sit in front of your laptop, same thing, good internet connection, good headphones, good camera. Okay. So that is very important. Voice and accent. Once it is completed, then it is a technical round. So it is the technical round is the last one. Okay. So in a technical round also, it's a mixed questions are there. One is like a technical questions, definitely it is there, as well as personal communication related questions also about your project, challenges in your project. Okay, how you handle the some situation you are while doing the project, this specific situation, like someone not cooperating to complete your project, that how you will handle. Okay, how you manage your team. Okay, in your project, final year project. Your project means your engineering final year project. That is the main thing. Okay. And technical. So what is what? What is a router? What is a switch? What is IP address? What is the RAM? What is ROM? These type of questions, technical. Differences between RAM and ROM. Difference between switch and routers. Like differences. Situational based questions. Scenario based questions. Troubleshooting related questions also there. Okay. So the technical interview is mainly concentrated on communication, active listening, active speaking, all these things. Also, mother tongue influence. It is also mainly communication plus with the technical questions. How you manage to answer the questions also important. So then, what I'm saying for every batch is the same thing. Give at least half an hour for your technical preparation. At least half an hour for your technical preparation daily. Do not think so. Tomorrow we will see. On weekend I will complete everything. At the end of the training I will complete everything. Don't do that one, guys. Because every few days, like every 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, sometimes in the same day I will complete two topics. Sometimes one topic I will take 2, 3 days. Okay. So whatever it is take half an hour time every day. What we are discussed technically, please read at least once. Take half an hour, give entire half an hour for technical preparation. Then take a 3, 4 hours for your communication, because communication is very important here. So give more preparation, all the what are the exercises and practices. Okay, practice communication is you have to dedicate at least 3, 4 hours as per your capacity, capabilities, or availabilities. But give half an hour compulsory daily, either evening after the session or morning or afternoon before the session. Okay, give at least in the day half an hour is good. At least start with half an hour. Okay, so daily you do it. You don't require to take more time, like 3-4 hours, and technical is not required. Even after certain time, means after 1 or 2 weeks, after 1 week at least, I will give some technical questions, means troubleshooting questions also I will share it. So daily prepare 1, 2, 3 troubleshooting questions, helps you to give an answer in the time of interview. Okay, so these are the 3 major rounds. Entire process is online only. Okay, so once your technical interview completed, onboard process will be started. Okay, and the location, there is no guarantee. Same location you will get it or not. Okay, so same means maybe your favorite location you may not get, depends upon the that time project availability, depends upon what service we told to you. So don't fix with any locations, guys. But thing is, lot of people are worrying about locations and shifts. Okay, but in reality, so come to the reality. Okay, come to Hyderabad, go to Mumbai, go to Chennai, wherever your nearest location. Okay, go to the city and see the reality how people are searching for the jobs, waiting for a job opportunity. Single opportunity they are waiting. Okay, but the thing is, it's not about it. This is something you are sacrificing. Nothing is like that. This is a very good opportunity to getting into the IT company, a reputed organizations. And not only guys, lot of people works in the IT in a different location. My main location is different. My parents are different locations they are living. I'm in different locations, right? It's not always in my village I will get a job. No. So you have to go compulsory to different, even as a fresher or an experienced person. Even for experienced person also, they have to go to the different location, either based on the job requirement or a client requirement, whatever it is, they have to move to different locations, compulsory. And another one is wherever you go live, until unless your belongs to the same location, because your hometown is Bangalore and you like to get a job in Bangalore, that's good. Well, if you are in Hyderabad, you want to get a job in Hyderabad, that is okay. But you are from other places, like maybe you belongs to Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, or maybe Nagpur, like that. Okay, compulsory you have to go to the city and you should live in the hostels only. There is no other choice. You have to live in the hostels. If you want to get in a work from home kind of stuff, not there. It's not a corona time, not any other time it is. Okay. And second is shifts. People think why we are should work. You're a fresher or an experienced person. What are the profile it is? What are the technology you are working on it? It depends upon the requirement. You have to work on the different shifts. Okay. So no need to worry about that shift part also. Because of course it's the same thing. Like in a reality, the people works in shifts. Some people work from mornings 4 o'clock to afternoon. That kind of shifts also there. Okay, not only this profile, and any profile, any technology you work as a fresher or an experience, depends upon our organization, depends upon our client. You have to work in different shifts, different locations. That is the reality. Okay. But if it is in the interview also there is a question. Are you willing to relocate Chennai? Are you willing to relocate to Hyderabad? Are you willing to relocate in Bangalore? Are you willing to relocate to Mumbai? Are you willing to relocate to Noida? Okay. Are you can you able to work in anywhere in India? Yes. Why? Why is that? Another question. Okay. Are you willing to relocate anywhere in India? Are you willing to work in Noida location? Yes is the answer. But why is another question from it? Okay. So why? I'm flexible to work in any location. I like to explore different new locations. Like that, the simple answers also available. Okay. So do that kind of stuff answers. Okay. Always in interview, positive answers are very important, guys. Positive and simple answers are very important. Okay. Do not discuss with anything to the interviewer. So what will happen after 6 months? Can we change it to this location or not? Don't discuss. That is, once you are inside internally, what you want, can able to do it, you can try that one. That's the difference. Okay. Are you willing to work in shifts? Yes, I am flexible to work in any shifts, day shift, night shift, midnight shift, anything. Because company requirement, any company, my company, your company, or any company, want a people with a flexibility. Okay, flexible people, able to work in different conditions, ability to travel like that, right? So different organizations, what the people are expecting company is you must be flexible. They don't want the people with a higher technical knowledge. They want the people with a flexible. They should work in an organization. Okay, so that's important. Yeah. So keep it these things in always in the mind, guys. Why I'm telling specifically thing is after people join in a company, there are a lot of motivators are there. Okay. Nowadays, people are instead of helping, they are motivating. Demotivation to motivation, motivation to demotivation. What is this motivation is why are you going to that location? Okay. Please come to your hometown. You can survive in your hometown. If you are going to that location, what will happen like that? This is not a good place. That is not a good place. You are working in shifts. That is your health will be. A lot of people are working. Okay. The person who is giving you an idea is not giving you a job, guys, first of all. Understand that. Very important. Okay. The person is giving an idea or something, a statement or something like a kind of support, but actually is trying to pull you down. Simple. Okay. Is not helping you to get a job. Okay. If someone is giving that kind of idea, any relatives or friends, ask them, give me a first job, then I will come back to our hometown. Okay. So back to the always be on a ground level. Understand. If you have that kind of any questions, we'll discuss in this session only, the first introduction session only. Okay. What is our career? What can we able to do after 5 years? All these things we'll discuss in this. Okay, don't feel bored, but I'm trying to give you some kind of reality. Okay. Any questions or doubts, guys, regarding our interview rounds or any other things also? Any questions, doubts?
Yes, Latif. Hi.
Fine. Okay, good.
Hello.
Yeah,
I'm audible.
you're audible, Ravitesh.
Yes, Sadish, I have one doubt. Can I ask that one?
Ask me.
Yeah, what will my position after this contract? Is there any chance of converting to full-time role?
Yeah, after 6 months, it will take 6 months to 1 year. Some people will
Mm-hmm.
be full-time employment in the HCL in the after 6 months. Some people take little bit time. So maximum it between 6 to 1 year will be converted into full-time employee in the HCL.
Okay. Thank you, Latif.
Very, very good. That's an important question. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to work in a 6 months in 70s payroll, guys. Okay. So 70s paying you salaries and you should work in the HCL company. So based on your performance, either it can be most of the time within in a 6 months only, Okay, so after 6 months, you will convert into HCL permanent. So once you are become a permanent, what to do? So that is also we'll discuss. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So again, look back to our thing. Again, I will go sometimes into the career path, personal career path. Okay. Another one is our what is the our training and okay. Yeah. So based on your work related, okay, basic technical knowledge is required. Okay, basic technical knowledge on the for certain things are required, including hardware, networking, um, basic things like Outlook, what is a VPN. So you should understand this kind of terminologies and an idea because this role is supporting role. Okay, technical support role. It is a technical related only. So compulsory you should have a technical understanding knowledge is required. That too, this is the fresher position. So definitely basic technical knowledge and troubleshooting knowledge is also required. And in the supporting role, very important is service desk. So you should understanding of service desk related terminologies means what is a ticket, types of ticket, what is meant by incident, what is meant by service request, okay, what is the priority, okay, what is the priority, what is SOP, okay, what is the event, alert, incident, problem, change, how to do certain changes in that your remote server or maybe in the databases. To do the change, what process we have to follow. Okay, so how to resolve certain kind of issues, to resolve it, how to, which process we have to follow it. These are all includes in this service test. So in our technical training, I made them into the three parts. In these three parts, the first two parts are very, very important. Okay, so in the first part, part one is a service test, networking basics, PC hardware and operating system basics, and hardware and networking related troubleshooting. Basic common troubleshooting things also we are going to discuss in a part one. Okay. And these three are lengthy topics. Means service desk, it will take at least 2 to 3 days. Networking will take at least 3 to 4 days. Okay. And hardware, again, it will take at least 3 to 4 days. So your 2 weeks almost all completed with this part one only. Okay. So of course we'll try as 2 weeks. Then part two. What is an outlook? So very common. What is an outlook? What is the use of an outlook? Outlook related issues. Configuration of an outlook. What are the things in the outlook configurations? What is a VPN? Most commonly used in the IT is Outlook and VPN. So you must understanding of both. And what are the different servers, their services? What is an Active Directory? Every organization has an Active Directory process is there. Means in your system, in your laptop, you log in with your username and password. But once you are join in organization gave you a laptop or desktop. So that is a centralized authentication. Okay, in organizations follow centralized authentication. Okay, in our home laptops we are using individual, means decentralized authentication systems. So that is centralized authentication purpose we use Active Directory. So what is this Active Directory? What is DHCP? What is the DNS services? What is cloud? What is the use of cloud? Basics, cloud. No specific cloud explanation. We don't get that much time to explain any specific cloud apps. What is Office 365? This is also cloud-based services. Nowadays, most of the organizations are using this Office 365 services for different purposes, including centralized authentication, cloud-based Office tools access purpose, mail management services purpose also. Okay. In part 3, what is the virtualization? What is the use of virtualization? What is the virtual machine means? What is an ITIL? What are the different terminologies used in ITIL? Okay. So where we use this ITL process, that kind of. Any chance we have discussion, then some Windows 10 administration and Windows 10 commands also. A storage backup, the basic solution. By the time almost all you are already complete this your Versant and voice and taking. So your very important things are these are the first very important, second very important, third important one. Okay. Along with, I'm also going to share some videos. It's around a 5 to 10 minutes videos only maximum size. Okay, so I will tell that which channel, which videos. When you have a time, free time, when you're sitting ideal time, so go through that videos. It's 5 to 10 videos that will help you to understand in an animated way. So there is a PowerSet animated video channel is there. In that channel, lot of videos are available to make you understand certain things in animated way. So that's make you simplifying understanding. Okay. Like what is a VPN, what is Outlook, what is firewall, what is proxy. Okay. So these basic things. So what is router and switches, what is Wi-Fi router, how it is Wi-Fi router works. Okay, like there's basic things we should require because nowadays people need a common base, common IT knowledge is required for any recruitment. Okay. People who do not have a basic knowledge, even though they are specialized in something, that is secondary. Okay. Even you know something cloud, cyber security, something top level cloud computing, cloud security, you know it. But if you are unable to answer the basic things, that is a very bad thing. Okay. In any IT, any requirement, this is a compulsory, you should know the basic knowledge. Basic IT common knowledge is required. Okay. Start improving that angle also, guys. Along with our sessions, parallelly also try to improve your common IT knowledges also. Okay. Not only AI. Okay. AI generic. What is generic AI? That's it. What is agentic AI? What is AI agent? You know it. That is depends upon your academics, depends upon your project, and also based on the IT common IT knowledge base, may they ask the questions. So that's what I'm saying. Whatever it is common IT knowledge. It is start improving that one. Give at least another 15-20 minutes for that one. Any random time you want it. Okay. So that's I told um, one point before technical part, right? What company requirement is flexible. People who are flexible, flexible to work in different locations, flexible to work in different shifts, flexible to work in different technologies, different technologies. Now I join as some network. I'm working on the networking field. I like the networking. I like, but maybe in a future, I have to work on the system side or maybe cloud side, maybe security side. Have to flexible to go to the different domains. So purpose is not for company. Purpose is your growth. Your growth based on your flexibility to adopt new technologies, or ability to work in different technologies in both horizontal way, vertical way means like you have joined as a basic network support engineer, network engineer. Okay, network architecture. It is one kind of vertical. Horizontal system administration, another vertical. Okay, system administrator, Windows Server administrator. Okay, Office 365 administrator, Microsoft Azure administration, cloud administration. This is one vertical. So like different verticals you can able to go. This is the path. This is the entry path for to go to different verticals. But not in a one day or one year. Okay, everything take its time. It depends upon you. Depends upon your chances. Different opportunities will get it. Depends upon that. Every person has their own growth path is also there. Okay. So that's why what I'm saying, people are ability to adopt new things, ability to upgrade. Okay. If you are working on a same thing for 5 years, 10 years, what is the use for company and you? The ability to upgrade to new technologies. Going to level up. Level up is always important for your personal growth, for your organizational growth, for your securing your jobs, earning good money. Okay. For securing your jobs in the same company or different company. You want to move to another company, what knowledge you have. Okay. So guys, always from almost when I know there is a job notifications, okay, from almost like last 15, 20 years. I've seen these job notifications. People are expecting experience and knowledge. Okay. Always see any profile is experience, first important. Second one is knowledge. Where you gain an experience, if you work, you gain experience. You learn, you gain knowledge. Okay. If you join an organization, you work for a certain period of time, you gain experience. Without experience, no changes. So compulsory experience. So what is the first one is experience. What is the second one? Knowledge. If you work, you learn knowledge. You understand it. You improve, your upgrade, knowledge improves. Okay. Keep it that mind also. Okay. Another point to keep in always in one mind is experience and knowledge is very important to grow in a industry. Okay, not only in IT industry, guys, any industry. Okay. So that's the very point. Yeah. Yeah. This is about your technical sections, what we are going to take it from service desk, networking, hardware, and troubleshooting related to hardware and networking. And another one is Outlook. What is a VPN? What is the different servers and their services? Active Directory, DHCP, DNS. What is cloud computing means? What is Office 365? And other things like virtualization, ITIL, and other some basic administrations and commands also. It's a basic knowledge. Your interview is also basic level only. You don't need to worry about it. But thing is, compulsory read every day what we are discussed in the session. Okay. Any questions, doubts? Guys, any questions to me? Any doubts? So
No,
one
sir.
more. Yeah, very good. Here I kept some of the common questions in interview, personal based questions. Okay, why I'm telling these questions, guys? Every day also you can prepare some common interview questions. Not only this, there are several questions also there. Point of telling these questions is how to prepare for your interview. Okay, so either this question or different questions. But the preparation is very important. Okay. So all of a sudden, is some new question you hear. You didn't know if that question will come up or not. But how to give that answer? Okay. How to plan to give an answer? Or any question that is common, it's a question it is. Like, what is your strength? Um, if you prepared some answer before you're going to the interview, you can easily give answer, right? Okay. The point is answer of answering in interviews, always give answer, positive answer, guys. Always keep it in mind. Give any positive answer. Not our cheesy type or our hyped answer, but I'm telling it's a simple and positive answers, not depressed answers, not a punishment type of answers, or not a sad or angry type of answers, not arrogant type of answers. Give always simple and positive answers in an interview. Okay, and which one is a correct answer? Yes, there's a lot of answers for a certain type of questions. If technical questions, same answer, almost all same answer in technical. For example, what is an Outlook? Outlook is a mail client application. Outlook is an application used to send and receive mails. Is always same answer. If whether I am telling it, you are telling it. Who is your best friend? Okay, my best friend is different. Your best friend is different, right? So answers may be different in a personal based questions. So for certain type of questions, what is your long-term goal? What is your short-term goal? For every individual person, they have their own long-term and short-term goals are there. If not there, make it as a one. Have some goal. At least practice some goals. Depends upon your thinking or attitude or the way you want to become. So create some answers, at least 3, 4 answers. Pick up one answer which is more suitable for you, which you can able to deliver easily. And very importantly, in case you given an answer at the time of interview and that answer is there is a question related to that answer. Interviewer asked a question related to that answer. So then you can able to give answer for that one also. So prepare the answers like that. For example, where do you want to see yourself in 10 years? I said, I want to become an IT manager in 10 years. How you plan to become an IT manager in 10 years? Then I have to give an answer, right? You started as a service desk, but after 10 years, you want to become an IT manager, infrastructure related management. IT, infrastructure related, IT management. Now, first of all, I want to go through the networking because I like the networking. I have done some CCNA course. I like to move my career towards networking. So within 3 years, I will become a senior network engineer or network administrator. Then I will concentrate on other things like a cloud networking, security, because security is a main important for an organizations. So I will move my career towards the security side. Okay, solution architecting within 5 years. I want to become a solution architect. Okay, and with this multiple domains, I will keep learning. I will keep putting into the different technical domains. So then I will become in the status like I can become an IT management side or a solution architect in 10 years. Okay. Okay, I will become a first solution side. It's like a maybe infrastructure side. Thing is about how you can able to answer. It's not. It's like if you practice, guys. smooth and easy answers you can able to give. My point is, take any questions, not only these questions, there are a lot of questions also. They're commonly asked interview questions. They pick up one or two questions. Practice. Okay. If you want, you can search in Google. Pick up some suitable answers for you. Suitable for answer should be suitable to you. Then practice that answer. And when you are telling an answer for just yourself, you're telling some answer. And from there, if any questions comes, how to give, create your own questions from it. So then you will become better in the interview. So in the interview, maximum people will do mistake is not practice. I'm not telling about they don't have a knowledge. They don't have a skill. They have a skill and knowledge. The where they are lagging is a practice. So regular practice make you perfect. Either this or that, whatever it is, this company or the other company or any recruitment guys. You start to improve yourself. Okay. And of course, if you need, I will give you one more idea. That is, you guys, after one or two sessions, you can start create one group meeting whenever you get a free time. Saturday, Sundays, you usually this Saturday, Sunday, you have a free time. Sit together for 2, 3 hours. You guys have started discussion. If you do discuss technical, non-technical topics, start discuss, asking some questions, giving some answers. It helps you to improve your mindset and understanding capacities and active listening capacities and delivering answers or delivering answers to. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. See the different questions. Tell me about yourself. Most common question about your birthday. How you celebrated last birthday. Tell me about your village. Hobbies. Hobbies are most common question. And from hobbies also, there's a lot of nested questions. Like my hobby is traveling, for example, traveling. So where did you travel most? What is your favorite place? Why it is your favorite place? Like that questions. Tell me about your friends, your colleges, colleagues, movies. What is your favorite movies? Tell me about your project. Who are working in your project? What is your role in your project? If your project is not working at presentation, what you will do? Okay. Your project is general, our project is successful at the time of presentation. It must be there, right? It must be like. But sometimes if in case your project is failed at time of presentation, what you will do? All of the sudden these questions comes, we don't know how to answer it. It's common, right? But you know the different way of questions. So practice. What is your weakness? What is your strength? What is your short-term goal? What is your long-term goals? What is your goal? Where do you want to see yourself in 5 years? Where do you want to see yourself in 10 years? What do you want to become in 10 years? If you are from non-IT background, means you are from mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics background, why you came to the IT company? Why you came to IT company? Why you choose IT? Always pass the guys. Okay, electrical, mechanical, civil, electronics, mainly ECE department, electronics and communication engineering, electronics and telecommunication. No jobs, no opportunities, nothing. No electronic side, no nothing side. Okay, there are free people. Even at least mechanical people, electrical people, electronic civil people has something like they have a civil department, mechanical engineering department, industries also there, at least somewhat. But the electronics people, no choice. But don't tell that kind of stuff. We do not have a choice. You have to come to IT. In our core field, we do not have a job. Don't say this kind of depression type of answers. Always give an answer like this. Positive answers. IT is a fast growing industry. The career path in IT is career in IT is always grow, rapid growth in the IT. Or maybe I like computers, network side. I like to go into that field. I like infrastructure side. Why you came to this field? Because you like an IT infrastructure. I like to work on the servers, networking, storages, securities. So these are my dream job. So then I seek career in the IT as a service desk engineer. Okay, or analyst training. Okay, like this. If you are from IT CSC, why you choose this specific profile service desk analyst profile? Okay, yeah, CSC IT people, that their intention is to go as a software developer. That's the only one thing. But now it is the service desk analyst. So why you chose it? Yes, service desk analyst is a first step in the IT organization, in IT services, in IT services related, in IT infrastructure. That is the first step into the IT infrastructure services, service desk analyst, where you will going to learn about different technologies, their related issues, okay, their configurations, where you will learn the different type of issues and their solutions. Okay, it is a IT service desk analyst only. Different technologies. You work in a different technologies, depends upon your project, where you are deployed into the project, depends upon it. Different technologies you will work. Next. Yeah. So I want to become a support a cloud engineer, or maybe I want to become cyber security engineer. This is the best path to get inside the IT organizations. Like the different answers, prepare different answers to tell the answer. Okay. I like to support the people in mainly in a challenging situations. So I choose the service desk. Okay. So in earlier also I told what company wanted. Okay. Guys, whatever the career we are choosing it, we are choosing that. I want to become a trainer, I become a trainer, that's it. Not because of I do not have another opportunities. I want to become a trainer. I like to train the people. I like to give my technical, I like to share my technical knowledge to the people. So I become a trainer. I choose this. Okay. So like that, you have to give an answer that is you like it or you choosing it. Not because of you do not get some other opportunity, you came to this one. It's like that. One girl is not you not accept your love letter, then you are giving to the other one. Okay, no, no, no. So you don't give like that, right? Simple point is you have to tell an answer in an interview or any time, whether it's a fresher or an experience. You have to tell an answer because you choose this thing because of you like it. Okay, you are doing this one because of you choose that object. You choose that opportunity, not because of you do not get any other things. Okay. Even there is a one interview, one person got this question. Are you that much desperate for a job? Yeah. See, you should not choose anything out of desperation. Even it is a reality, but in interview time, you should speak like that. You should not speak like that. It is you are very desperate to get a job, no other opportunity. That's why you are choosing it. No, no. You're choosing it because you like it. You feel there is a good career through this one. That's why you're choosing it. Of course, service desk analyst is the first part to the career growth in a career path. It is the first one, starting position. Okay. That in reality also it is good one. Okay. Yeah, so different other questions, all these things. I like some questions, guys, specifically. That's why I'm explaining those questions. Why should I select you? This is one hypothetical question, right? Why should I select you? In movies also, there is a lot of different answers. You can see, why should I select you? Because you do not have a, some people say, if you don't select, that is your loss. Okay. Why should I select you? Because I do not have a job. You have a job, please give me. Okay. Why should I select you? I don't have a money. Like different type of attitude questions are there, fun answers also there. Okay. Simple is, why should I select you? For example, so I got this question, why should I select you? So what is my answer is, yeah, I have a good communication skills. I have a good understanding skills, good problem solving skills, good troubleshooting skills. I'm ability to listen to the others, okay, analyze what they are telling and provide a good solution, understandable solutions, faster or quicker solution, I'm able to provide it. I'm ability to learn new things. Okay. I'm ability to learn things faster. I'm ability to improve my technical knowledge. Okay. I ability to learn technical things like that. You can tell us. Because that's the quality is required to get it for this specific job. Okay. So that's why should I select. You have that capabilities, so then the person has to select you. That's the one thing. The connecting question. If you are not selected for this profile, what do you do? If you are not get selected, the interview said if you are not get selected, what you will do? Yes, of course. If in an organization, in a company, like you attend an interview, you didn't get selected. Okay. I got a lot of rejections from different companies. You may also see some rejections in the companies, right? Why should I select you? If not selected, what you will do it? If someone not selected, life is not started. You will get job in another company. We don't need to worry about it. But one thing is, you have to keep learning. So simple answer is, I keep learning. I keep upgrading myself. I keep learning, keep upgrading, keep applying for a job. Okay, keep applying for a job because you don't stop learning. Even if you this job not get, even though you don't stop the learning, you keep learning, keep upgrading yourself, as well as you are keep applying for a job. So you should get a job, right? So next time, and in another company, maybe this company or other company, we don't lose hope. We don't go to desperate. Sir, if you don't give a job, what I will do? Okay, next month is my marriage. Don't say that kind of answers. Okay, so simple. Keep learning, keep applying for a job. That's what you will do. So we don't, sir, please, sir, give me a job. Please, I'm done lot of work on this one. If you don't do that, if you don't select it, what I will do it? What can I say to my parents? Don't do this kind of stuff in the interview anytime, guys, as a fresher or an experienced person also. Okay, so don't show your angry, arrogant ways, attitude kind of stuff. Don't show to your time of interview. Okay, simple. You take it as a positive and speak positively. Uh, and there is other questions. Uh, why do you think HCL is the right place for you? Yes, you then go to the research about HCL. What is HCL company? What are the HCL services are there? What is what we say employees type and what I'm saying is work culture, HCL work cultures, HCL production. Okay, annually how that is growth in the HCL, about HCL company growth. Look at that status and then tell like this HCL is one of the top level company, top level one of the top level MNCs. Out of top five, HCL is one of the top level MNC companies. So then if I'm getting into the HCL, so then my career will become better and I can grow into the along with the company also. Okay, like that. Mhm. Okay. So which topic is not present in my resume? Okay, not present in your resume. Tell me about something which is not in your resume. So search it in your resume and create some answer for that one. Okay. And what are the major challenges communicating with US client? Most of your clients are US based companies only. You're not communicating to any individual person. Okay, you are communicating with an other organization people. Okay, so in their compulsory, it's like, of course, difference is not communication gap, guys. Both are speaking English only, but the US people different dialect. The way they use certain words or sentences are little different from what English we know it. Of course, you guys are well known more than me. You watch a lot of web series nowadays. Okay. So say that certain sentence we don't understand what is actual meaning. It's look like different. Like some are very quite common word, but they use different, like break a leg, simple example. Okay. The dialects are different. How to handle the customer? Angry, frustrated customers, friendly customer, non-technical customers. Here is a customer represents it is client, means other organization people who are getting a services from our company. So the company which is is a service provider is providing services to other company. IT related services, software related services, network related, infrastructure related, cloud related, security related, database related, data science related, AL, ML related, AML related services. So an IT company provide different services to the other organizations. Those people are our customers. A service desk analyst will provide a solutions, okay, or fulfill their requirements of the customers. Okay. If customer is not getting a service and no response from the service provider side, you will get an angry. So you should understand the customer situation, provide a solution. This solution, this angry customer, friendly customer, non-technical customers, how to resolve their issues, we will discuss in the service desk topic. That part we will see. But these are the common question I kept it, guys. Not only these questions, there is a lot of other questions also. Talk about your best friend. Okay. Like that, that's different kind of questions also there. Okay. See, I think I covered some of the questions. Some I told answer, type of answer, but some you can creatively do that one. Of course, we're going to discuss about this service desk analyst, what they will do it also. Right now, just to give you information. In technical questions type is simple. What is the thing? Like what is a RAM? What is a processor? What is router? What is a switch? What is an IP address? Okay, like that, what it is. Okay, explain about it. Differences. What is the TCP and UDP differences? IP, IPv4, IPv6 differences. IP address, MAC address differences. Okay. What is a RAM and ROM differences? Hard disk and SSD differences. HTTP and HTTPS protocol differences. Like differences commonly asked in technical. And how it is works. What is the use of this one? How it is works kind of. How to resolve a specific issue. If user unable to print, so how you will going to support the print related issues. Network access is down, internet is down, so how you resolve the issues. How you check two systems are communicating or not. Okay. and my Wi-Fi is down. I have to send a file immediately. What you will do? What is the solution you will tell? So currently Wi-Fi is down. So I have to send a mail to my boss immediately. What to do? Yeah? Anyone in answer? I'm in my home. For example, I'm in office today. Of course, I'm in my home. My home internet is down suddenly. Power cut. But I have to send a mail to my boss or some manager, my client immediately from my laptop. So how can I send? My Wi-Fi is down. Understand the question? Suddenly ask the question. People are listening and relaxing themselves. Guys, give me one solution.
Yes, sir.
Firstly, I will check router, sir.
The router is down, power cut,
Okay.
off. Hmm. I need solution, not a troubleshooting. Think you are in a home, now power cut, but you have to continue the session. What you will do? Think normally. You guys are all know the answer. Everyone knows the answer. You do that one also in generally.
First switch on and
Switch
off for that.
Switch
Off and
switch
on.
off and switch.
your power cut, guys. Power cut. Router is off.
Mobile hotspot will.
That's the answer. Very good. So we do generally, but when you hear the question, what you think, I will try some new correct answer, exact answer I want it. Okay. Of course, generally what we will do it, we'll turn on the hotspot in your mobile phone, connect through laptop and continue the session or sending file, mail or something, you will do it, right? Yes, that's it. Think simple. Okay. So that's what I'm saying is when you are discuss, of course, we'll get the natural instances. The natural instance, when you got an issue, what is the first thing you will do it? What is the first thing comes in your mind? That is most probably an answer. Okay. And of course, as I said, active listening. Understand what is the question. Then feel the question. Feel really if you face that one, then what kind of solution you do it. You can give the answer. Of course, we'll discuss a lot of troubleshooting related issues, but some example I want to tell. Okay, this is actually question. Ask me. Okay, before going to the break, guys. Okay, just last conclusion. Then we'll going to discuss about your profile and IT companies and other few things. Service desk introduction. I will do it after the break. But before the break, as again I told, this service desk analyst profile, which is the best entry into the IT organizations. That too, repeated organization like HCL is always best. So once you are completed all your interviews, you join in an organization. Okay, so your team leaders based on when you join inside a company or when the time of joining time, what project is running, so you placed into the different projects. Okay, once you are onboarded, you will be into the different projects, different technologies related, different clients related. We can't promise now which client you will get it, which project you will get it. Only we can know it about the once you join it. At least I don't know. Okay. Uh, so the once you join, guys, start learning your work. What is the work is assigned to you? What task is assigned to you? Start learning that one. Start doing that one. Learn and do it. So you'll become better, understand, continue. So you once you are doing this in a proper way, right way, follow the other things like following SOPs, documentations. It helps to make sure that is how much work is you are done. You do documentation means people get to know that is how much work you have done in the in daily and weekly, how much work you have done. You'll get company in the company, people get to understand that is how much work you have done. Okay. Keep doing that one. And which technology you like or which technology you want to go. Okay. Which technology you know already. Please improve your technical knowledge in that one. Okay. Okay. For example, you like a Windows server side. You're in an IT organization, so a lot of things like a lot of IT technologies, you may hear that. Example, you learn Windows servers, you'll become a Windows Server administration. If you like Linux, you become Linux administrator. If you like networking, you learn networking, then you will become network engineer or network administrators. If you learn cloud, you'll become a cloud administrator, virtualization, storage, backups, cyber security. So different domains in the technical domains are there. So only thing is what domain you will get it. Right now we don't know. As a fresher, in the company, the domains will be changes. Your domains will be changes. Maybe in starting you may get a hardware related support, network related support, or maybe user system administration related support, cloud related. These domains will be changes. One project to another project, one work is completed and one client is completed, you will go to another one. Once you are going, keep on going. But keep learn. What are the work is assigned, keep learn. Parallelly, what I'm saying, what domain you want to go, which domain you like it. That related technology start learning. Okay, learn DevOps. So I think I didn't add that one here. Okay. You like software side. Okay. Deployment side. Okay. Testing side. Software testing side. Learn DevOps. Okay. Different technologies are there. So start working, start doing work, and as well as parallelly start learning any technologies. So maybe it will take 6 months or 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. You will become in a standard domain. Then the growth towards that specific domain is always there, always we can able to follow the domain. That's the first. Guys, where are we started? That is okay. We started at a position of fresher, but we have to plan for career growth. Why keep on telling like that? That is your choices only, but I'm not my choices. But thing is, people get an idea from different people, those who are not even a worth of their life. Okay. Okay. So even they didn't know about this, they're not doing that one. Okay. So mainly the relatives, friends will tell like, so why you are going to that location, what is this salary, what is this packages. But opportunities is a very good opportunity, even though salary is comparatively very less. Okay. Of course, you have to stay in the hostels. Nothing you can be able to do it. If you are able to manage by friends with taking room and all, that is a different. Best is always go to the hostels because food is available. Later you will decide that. Okay. But at least gain experience, guys. Experience, then only we can able to go to the next level. Any level you want to go, you need an experience and knowledge. Okay. So this is total my introduction. If anybody having questions, doubts, you can ask me now. or you can put your questions in the chat box also. Okay. In my session, compulsory guys, if you don't get any point, if you want to repeat that one, I will repeat it. If you want something, explain in different way, I can explain it. Okay. Different way also I can, within, if you want something, an example for that one. Also, I will try to give multiple examples on something. Okay.
Sir, after 1 minute. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
This is recording section and troubleshooting.
I didn't get. Okay, voice speed is different. Yeah, you can put it in chat. I can give you an answer.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Achi.
Sir, I wanted to know after we will clear the interview after the training, so we will be joining sale immediately, or will there be a waiting time of some week or month?
After your technical round completed, okay. So almost like within a week only, you will be in the HCL. Sometimes very, sometimes less. Okay.
Okay,
The
thank you, sir.
technical. Yeah, tell me.
Okay, sir.
So your Versant, voice and accent, then technical. Once technical round completed. So most of the cases, guys, within 1 week only will be in the HCL. Okay. Sometimes they will go with the cooling period. Means in HCL they'll waited. Means they don't release number of positions requirement. They will postpone. Means they're having some background in the organization related. That will take sometimes 1 or 2 weeks extra. But in generally it is faster now. Requirement time. Cooling period is completed. 3-4 months back only completed. So recently also 2 people are onboarded. Okay. Um, um, last week. Yeah, last week only. 2 people are onboarded. Okay. The requirements are continuous requirements are there. So better prepare. Fast preparation is also important. Don't think 4 weeks of training means I will start preparation after 4 weeks. The preparation will be started from day one only. Okay. Do not think like sometimes in 2 weeks or also you will go into this. Yeah, if possible, I will share these records. Okay. I will definitely. The recording of session only for backup purpose, guys. Compulsory attend the live sessions. Okay. These recordings I will share separately. Okay. You can't access records directly uh, uh, this Teams. Okay, because recording is with the company account. So only organization people only can able to access. You can't access. I will download it and I will share the records to you separately. And it is optional and compulsory attend the live sessions compulsory. Okay. Again, I'm telling guys, don't think it's a 4 weeks. Maybe your interview by in a 2 weeks also. It all depends upon HCL requirements, urgent requirements, sometimes cooling periods. So be prepared every day. That's the last one. Okay. The first thing is there is some